Hey guys, it's Ethan Bailey here and welcome back to a YouTube video. Now in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can produce your own custom consumer persona for your brand, skincare, jewelry, fashion, home decor, whatever. Now if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I'd appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button. Let's just get to it. So firstly, what is a custom persona? Basically a document that outlines who would buy your product. Why is it useful? It allows you to target specific interests, especially on Facebook, allows you to tailor a message to someone, and as soon as you know what type of person buys it, you can also tailor language to it. For example, we have a client in the US who has a skincare product, and their demographic is they target that kind of like Gen Z, blonde American female, things like Starbucks, like quotes like Slay Queen, that type of thing, works very well for them. And the only reason we can speak like that in the ads because we've done a consumer persona doc. And here's an example for one we did for one of our clients. As you can see, it is pretty, this one's not as detailed, but it's pretty detailed, outlining, for example, who it is, the psychographics, the hobbies, the buying behavior, reasons why they buy, where they're from, income level. Gen, it's important because, for example, like income level, like millionaires, multimillionaires, on Facebook you can target things like yachts, and if it's location, you can go, okay, well, let's target Qatar, Saudi Arabia, UAE, etc. So they're very, very important. This is just an example. Now, how you actually do it is we just use ChatGPT. We just whack open ChatGPT, we paste in a prompt. Now, it's very, very important that your prompt is very accurate, because the better your prompt, with ChatGPT in general, the better the output. So as you can see here, framing first, pretend you are the best market research expert in the world. It's very, very important you say something like that. Now, what's his task? You're producing a persona doc for a brand called Aleme. So just paste an example. Then you put in the product. The product is the Pro Collagen Night Cream. Then what I do is I link the product page, because if you link the home page, you're going to get a generic persona. But if you link the product page, it's going to be specific to that product, which is obviously what we want. And it says create a detailed persona doc listing what they would buy, who would buy this product. That's a typo. Who would buy this product? What the consumers like? What they do in their free time, etc. Some very, very simple questions. And then what it does is it produces something like this. Now, when you produce one of these, it's not going to be 100% accurate. You're going to have to kind of, do a few tweaks, etc. But it gives you a general idea. What we would do then is we copy and paste this into a Google Doc and then just tweak it, tidy it up, and then add a few other things we know. And like one thing we see is we go on Instagram, we can see like what their customers like tagging. For example, if they're all going to Starbucks and put other pictures of Starbucks on the story, we can, make ads around that idea. But it's very, very good. So you can see here, Sophia Carter. So that's actually a very, very common British female name. Background, 42, leads a busy lifestyle, juggling, whatever. Age, what they tend to do, education, psychographics. So, what are they like? What do they actually kind of connect with, that type of thing. The personality traits, values, interests, lifestyle, what they read. This is important because if you find out that a lot of your people read things like Vogue, you can target that on Facebook. You can get your product sponsored in Vogue, and it just makes your life easier. Consumer behavior, frequency, like buy every 2-3 months. That's important to know because you can set up a subscribe and save scheme. You can buy right now for X, or if you subscribe for 3 months, you can get 20% off, that type of thing. Decision making, it's important, brand loyalty, product usage, free time activities, hobbies, what they tend to do, fashion, Star Wars, etc. And that's basically, it's very, very simple, and it doesn't take a lot to do. But it's very important that you put in a good prompt. This is very brief. I mean, if we were doing this in detail, I had like an hour or so, I'd literally list everything I wanted to know: hobbies, interests, lifestyle, what celebrities look up to, what media do they read, what do they watch on Netflix, things like that. And it would produce a very detailed version. But I hope you find this video helpful. Any questions, drop in the comment section below. Like I said, I really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. And if you want me to run your ads, look in the description below, which is how Ethan Bailey run my Facebook ads. Click that link there, schedule a very, very quick 10-15 minute chat with me, where we'll basically assess if you are a good fit to work with us. Now that is everything, and I'll see you in the next video.